आपके सामने मैं एक बच्ची को पेश करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, जिस बच्ची की तकरीर असलन इंग्लिश की तकरीर है और 4th क्लास की बच्ची है, 4th क्लास की बच्ची है और इंग्लिश की तकरीर है। हो सकता है कि आपको इंग्लिश में उसकी बात समझ में ना आए, लेकिन मैंने जो पहले आपसे अर्ज किया था मैं फिर आपसे कहता हूँ, इस बच्ची को आप देखेंगे तो जरूर एहसास होगा हमारे दरमियान, हमारे अंदर कैसे टैलेंट और कैसी सलाहियतों के लोग छुपे हुए हैं। बस उन पत्थरों को जिस तरह तराशना चाहिए था वो हम तराशने में कमी कर रहे हैं। अगर उनको सलीके से तराशा जाएगा तो हमारे पास अल्लाह के फضل से किसी बात की कमी नहीं है। मैं अजीजा आलिया को आवाज दे रहा हूं कि वो आए और अपनी तकरीर पेश करें। आलिया, क्लास 4।
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Respected President Sir, Chief Guest, teachers and my dear friends. Today my speech topic is women's rights in Islam. The status and role of women in society are important issues for which Islam has provided all related rules, rights and guidance. In fact, in many ways, Islam is the only religion to do so. When the Holy Quran mentions someone or something, it carries great importance. Given this, we can imagine how important the role, status and duties of women are that a chapters named in the Holy Quran is Surah Al-Nisa. The general ideas among non-Muslims and even among some modern Muslims are that in Islam, women are treated as second-class citizens. This idea is wrong and it is based on misconception and to some extent ignorance. Rather, Islam gives respectful status to women. Islam gave her status in society and elevated her being a number of times over. It represents a just balance between the roles and responsibilities of family members according to their natural physical and emotional makeup. Indeed, the Muslim man and Muslim woman, the believing man and believing woman, the obedient man and obedient woman, the truthful man and truthful woman, the patient man and patient woman, the humble man and humble woman, the charitable man and charitable woman, the fasting man and the fasting woman, and men who remember Allah often and the women who do so for them. Allah has prepared forgiveness and a great reward. The first person to believe in the Prophet support him in his journey and to follow the religion of Islam was a woman, Khadija radiallahu anha, the wife of the Prophet. This is to assure that she is a very important creature and has an important role in society. Ladies and gentlemen, we present to a list of rights granted for women in Islam. First, the right to life. Second, the right to equal judgment and reward. Third, the right to seek knowledge and education. Fourth, the right to alimony. Fifth, the right to inheritance and financial independence. Sixth, the right to choose a spouse. Seventh, the right to be honored and treated kindly. It is Islam to have in place protective measures for women to safeguard their dignity and chastity, especially if they have no one else to stand up for them. Women, regardless of their religion or other affiliations, have four major roles to play in life: mothers, wives, sisters, and daughters. Women as mothers are respected throughout the world, and every society attaches a near holy status to them. Islam grants women the highest place in society in their role as mothers. With regard to her children, the status of a mother is reckoned 3 times over the status of a father. As a sister, a woman is not neglected in Islamic culture if she is the eldest among the siblings. She takes the place next to her mother and draws the same respect. As a daughter, a woman is a blessing and a means of the mercy of Allah Azza wa Jal. There are many special rewards for the one who looks after daughter. As it is narrated, the beloved Rasul has said, "Do not call daughter bad. I have daughters too. Undoubtedly daughters are very loving, sympathetic and very affectionate." Islam gives great importance to education, not only for men but also for women. It is much more important for parents fully to train their daughter to perform in their marriage. and life. Some people in society think that Islam does not give the right to education to women due to their misconception, and the reality is that Islam orders women to get education. Islam has declared the relationship which is established between men and women through nikah. The protector of the half faithful of men, Islam has given the ownership of the haqq-e-mahr given to women by their husband and the inheritance of their husband in case of a widow. Wives are the source of husband comfort and peace. We shall be proud of our Prophet and our religion and our Prophet acts in all different means. May Allah bless and protect all women, our mother, our daughter and wife, and may Allah grant them Jannah with no prior torment. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Thank you so much.
حضرات، اس 4th کلاس کی بچی سے انگلش میں آپ جو سن رہے تھے، یہ بچی اصلاً یہ بتا رہی تھی آپ کو، لوگ یہ سمجھتے ہیں کہ مسلمانوں میں عورتوں کو ان کا حق نہیں دیا جاتا ہے اور عورتوں کو کمتر سمجھا جاتا ہے. تو یہ بات بتا رہی تھی کہ اسلام نے عورتوں کو کیا کیا حق دیے ہیں اور وہ سارے حقوق گنا رہی تھی. ہو سکتا ہے آپ کو یہ سمجھ میں نہ آیا ہو، لیکن میں جو بات آپ سے کہنا چاہتا ہوں وہ یہ کہ جب آپ اپنے درمیان سے اس طرح کے بچے اور بچیوں کو تیار کر لیں گے تو جو مغربی میڈیا اور یورپین کلچر نے جو تصور پیدا کیا ہے، آپ اپنی انہی بچیوں کے ذریعے سے ان کے تصور کا جواب دے سکتے ہیں. لیکن جب تک آپ یہ خود تیاری نہیں کریں گے تب تک آپ ایک بچے سے آپ تقریر سنیں گے تب آپ کو اندازہ ہوگا، وہ بتائے گا ہمیں کو قاتل کہے گی دنیا ہمارا ہی قتل عام ہوگا، ہمیں کو قاتل کہے گی دنیا ہمارا ہی قتل عام